You guys, we are back at Magic Kingdom. The castle is all decorated for the 50th anniversary. It looks amazing. You can see a lot of new additions on the tiers and different things around it. Lots of new fun additions. We just checked into the Polynesian Hotel. I'm gonna show you what's new at Disney World. They have Halloween decorations up, and we're gonna go do some of our favorite things. Starting things off right, we got some popcorn. We've got our Lays from Polynesian. Got some Mickey suckers. We kind of went crazy, and we also got our refillable mug. So we're ready for a good time.
On a big screen. We have almost 8,000 automobiles in this country.
Coming up that endless course then.
Hey Trish, for a while we didn't even have a house phone. Not to mention laser discs, high-def TV.
There's the castle. Some boats coming in from Magic Kingdom. Okay, it's much later now.
We are heading back to Magic Kingdom, hopefully for fireworks.
We came back, we went swimming at the pool at the Polynesian, and now we're gonna head back to the park. Here's the boat coming. We're gonna ride this back over to Magic Kingdom. Okay, so we just walked back in. You can see some of the Halloween stuff is up. So yeah, fireworks are gonna start. It's pretty crowded.
Whoa.
So, I'm not quite sure where we're gonna go for fireworks. Let's go see what we can do. Projections on the castle! They're so cool!
That's what friends are.
That was amazing! Tinkerbell should be coming. Wait for Tinkerbell. There's Tinkerbell! Tinkerbell flew by! Tinkerbell flew by! Sienna's wearing Tinkerbell! Here we go, Haunted Mansion. The park's about to close. And the crowd coming out was insane. I should have filmed it, but I probably would have lost the camera because it was just people flying everywhere. It's like a stampede of people. Okay, here we go, on our last ride of the day, Haunted Mansion. Oh look! Leota's eyes are open. And they close. Ah, blast of cold air.
When hinges creak in dawn's chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls.
So, this is the first time the elevator's been open since COVID, since we've been back. And you have to wear a mask inside, but there's no more social distancing. So there's that.
Start to sleep.
Okay, heading out of the park. See you real soon in jack-o'-lantern pumpkins.
Real soon.
That's adorable.
You said that in your performance.
We're heading out, but we have a crazy story to tell you guys once we're back at the hotel. Hi you guys, we're home now. I'm editing this vlog. It was so fun to watch this footage again. Oh my gosh, the fireworks were so amazing, even though it was super packed. And you get people who are like singing along, but you can like feel the energy of everyone. And when Tinkerbell went by, oh my gosh, it was so magical every time, because we were able to see that fireworks show a few times. And every time Tinkerbell came by, it was just like, oh, you just feel like a little kid again. And Sienna loves Tinkerbell, loves Tinkerbell. So that was so fun every time. I always feel out of breath when I do these outros. So the crazy thing that happened was that we went on Haunted Mansion at the very end, and we just happened to go behind some teenagers on the ride. And guys, it was crazy. I don't usually see things like this, especially at Disney World or Disneyland. The ride stopped for a minute, and they were reaching out of the doom buggy. They were like pulling on the curtains. I kept waiting for someone to come on the intercom and be like, don't touch anything. But even as they were getting on the ride, they were kind of like screaming, you know, trying to be silly. And a worker came up and asked the teenagers to stop, and they got in the doom buggy, and the teenage boy, again, after she just asked, like screamed really loudly in her face and I could tell she just looked so frustrated. I would be. And so then once they got on, and I could see everything because they were in the dune buggy in front of us. And then after that, they started pulling on things on the wall, and after that started vaping in the dune buggy, and there's like smoke coming out, just kind of crazy stuff. So it is not something I usually see. Like I understand like rowdy teenagers, you know, going to amusement parks, but it's not usually something I see at Disney. I've been lucky enough that I don't see like destructive behavior, because I understand everyone, like, it's one thing to be silly or hyper or you know, like in the fireworks, like people were singing along really loud next to us, and I'm like, you know what, that's how you're feeling the Disney magic right now. But when you're literally pulling things off the wall in the Haunted Mansion because it's temporarily stopped for a minute, that's so crazy, and it's really disappointing. I just feel like hopefully people who are coming in, we want to all enjoy the parks, and we don't want to like ruin the experience for other people. And so that was pretty disappointing. And because they were screaming and being really loud, it really scared Kenzie next to me, because Kenzie's little, and that's alarming when there's older kids, I'll call them, screaming and yelling out. So that was unfortunate. So anyway, just kind of like weird to see that, and it was crazy. Typically that is not the case. So it makes me really appreciative for every time that we've gone on the rides, and it has been a great experience, and people are really kind and courteous. So that was our day at Magic Kingdom. We had so much fun. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned because we have more fun Disney videos coming. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!